Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing the new Spellbinders card making kit for the month of April 2019, and oh my gosh, this kit is scrumptious. So in this month's card making kit, you're going to get a lot of beautiful items, a lot of pretty items for your card making, whether you're going to be making Mother's Day cards or hello cards or birthday cards. There's a little bit of everything for you there. So the first thing that I noticed was these beautiful sets of dies. You get your 10 cards, 10 envelopes, your paper pad, the puffy stickers, the ephemera, the journaling cards. You get a ton of stuff. Stamps even. And so, but I will go ahead and link you to my unboxing in the area underneath this video, and also in that area right up there, so that you can click on it after you watch this video so that you can see everything that you get in this kit. So let me show you the cards before I get to my tutorial. And I just love the colors that they provided in this kit. Everything is so pretty, so light, so airy, so beautiful that I went ahead and made a ton of these dresses. I tell you, I mean, these are not only for just card making. You can actually do some pretty nice embellishments with these. And so I just love these. These are addictive. I did tell you in my blog, hint, hint, they are addictive. You're gonna want to make more than just a couple. Okay, and I just love the combination of the grays with the pinks and the peach and the black. And so what I've done in this card is, see this part right here? This is a journaling card. I believe the size was 4x6. So what I did was, with cardstock from the kit, I went ahead and made a large card for it, and I matted the journaling card against one of the beige color cardstocks that was available in the kit. And I've also used the tags, and I'm sorry for my nails. And so I've used some die cuts that I provided in the kit, and look at this, isn't that pretty? And of course you get your pop dots and everything. And like I said, at the end of this video you are going to have a tutorial on how to piece these together. Okay, it's super easy. And so here are some puffy stickers, and this right here, this sentiment right here, is from one of the stamps from the kit. And it's a really cute card. I just love the way this came out. And of course I had to make another one in the same color family. I just love these color combinations. And for something like this, what I did was I basically die cut the same things twice, one in the pink cardstock and the other one at the black cardstock, so that I can kind of like lay one on top of the other, but off centered somewhat, so that you could see an edge on that. And that's what I did there. And this and this and this is from dies provided in the kit. And don't you just love that hanger? I love these hangers. And as you can see over here in my dress forms, you can, here, let me show them to you like this. You can either just leave a sash, a nice simple sash like I've done there, or you can top it with yet another die available in this kit. It is that big beautiful bow die, and I just love the way that looks. And so that's what I did here. I added the die, and I added one of the sequin that is provided in the kit. And this right here is a journaling card from the kit, and so I put it on top of one of the gray cardstocks, and I used this white cardstock from the kit. And the same treatment that I did over here, I did here. So this was die cut in pink and then in black, and then as you can see, I put one right on top of the other and kind of like off center it to give it that shadow effect. And so this other card that I made. No die cutting or anything whatsoever in this, and this is one of the quick cards. If you are, if you have a birthday party to go to within the next 15 minutes and you don't have but 2 minutes to make a card, Spellbinders provides you with an ample selection of puffy stickers and die cuts so that you can go ahead and make your kit. And of course, these are contrasting papers that I chose from that 6x6 paper pad that is provided in the kit, and I just matted one on top of the other, stuck my sticker, another 3D sticker there, and the die cuts from the kit, and that is it. And of course, this is one of the cards that is provided in a kit, and they do provide you with 10 cards and 10 envelopes. Now, this card right here took me, but oh gosh, it took me longer to trim the paper and put it down than it did to just place everything else. Okay, this card took me maybe 2 minutes, if that. Okay, and whenever you're in a hurry, you just need to make something really quick. Okay, we have the standalone products that Spellbinders does provide you with. These can be, and I will go ahead and link you to the standalone options in the description area below, and you will also find it in my blog. And so basically what I did is just trim down the paper, which is from that 6x6 paper pad, and which is also a standalone, by the way, and the papers are absolutely gorgeous. Those designs are beautiful. And all I did was I just used the 3D poofy stickers and just place them, and I placed the stars sporadically, and here's a beautiful rose, and that was it. It's like, sign it, happy birthday to you. And so anyways, oh my gosh, I tell you, when you get your kit and you start making these are so addictive. I mean, oh my gosh, you can use these for your planners. For those of you who are planner girls, you can use this on your planners. You can use these as embellishments, for Happy Mail, or embellishments for your mini albums and your 12x12 layout. You can use them obviously for card making. There are so many uses for these, and I just love them. And so anyways, I foresee this kit selling out, so I wouldn't wait too long if you are wanting something like this. And as those of you who do subscribe to Spellbinders kits, you know that you get a huge bang for your buck, and I tell you, you're gonna want this. It's so super pretty. Okay, that's enough of me chatting, and let's move on to the tutorial.